आइडिया था, और जब ये आया मेरे पास आइडिया के साथ तो मुझे बहुत ही बेहद पसंद आया। और मैं समझती हूँ कि लिटरली आम लोगों को एक मौका मिल रहा है। एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जब कोई बोलते हैं तो सोचते हैं अरे बोरिंग सी फड्डी डडी सी कंपनी, यू नो, बट आई थिंक व्हाट्स योर टैलेंट हैज़ ब्रॉट द pizzazz into being just not another life insurance company. So I think it's brought the glamour, it's brought the entertainment, and definitely all the clients get an opportunity to showcase their talent. Or say, I think it's, on the whole, again, reiterate that I think it's a great idea. Yes, I did, but not a dance video, but I did shoot a video encouraging all the clients to come forward and showcase their talent. Hidden talent. Even I didn't know, and even my husband didn't know that I'm going to be a great mother. I think I'm a great mother. I'm a hands-on mom, and I enjoy every minute of it. And I'm proud of it because my children are achievers in their own way. Since you asked me this question, I'm going to go full on. My daughter just won the, she just got into the honor roll of the school yesterday and got a certificate and was felicitated in front of the whole school. So it was a very, very big day for me on Friday. So my son is a champ. He gets his awards and medals in swimming and in chess. He did the under 5 national chess championships he went for. So like I said, I think that was my hidden talent, because when I got married to my husband, he thought that my talent is only looking after my dogs. He thought I'll be ignoring my children and only running after my dogs. So it was very scary initially. I'm very excited about Bombay Velvet, लेकिन जहाँ मैं देखती हूँ तो ये अभी बोल ही देती हूँ कि अलग तरीके के न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं। पिक्चर की PR भी मतलब शुरू नहीं हुई है, एंड अलग स्टोरियाँ लोग फैला रहे हैं। तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। मैंने फिल्म I did it for fun. I have gone on overboard saying that I'm just doing a blink and you miss it kind of a part. I've done it for fun. I just walk in and I walk out. It's literally like that. I think edit में थोड़ा any edit that happens for a film happens for the betterment of the film. I don't know what has happened otherwise, but what I was told कि थोड़ा इधर उधर editing हुई है. So I was like, yeah, fine with it. But when I saw the film, I thought it was fantabulous. It's a fabulous film. Just wait and watch out for it. You know, talent honestly means what one's passion is all about. क्योंकि only जब तक उस talent के लिए आपका passion नहीं होगा, उसमें excel नहीं करोगे. तो अगर आप जी जान से you work on your that talent, which what today's show is all about. Let's come back to Renegade. Egg on Renegade is what's your talent. That is what today's show is all about. It's about people's passion. Ordinarily, like she said, hidden talent सबका होता है. आप एक normal office में इधर उधर भागम भाग कर रहे हो, but for your release, for your comfort, for your to keep the sanity of your mind, you might just be playing the sitar or the guitar or the piano or just singing, just to remove that little bit, get that peace of mind for yourself. So that, I believe, whatever you do with a passion is your talent. I believe everybody has a talent. Everybody has some kind of, anyone could have a talent, even having one of the most beautiful handwritings, which could be as good as calligraphy, So it's not necessary that it has to be only singing, acting, dancing, which is mostly showcased these days. It could be just about anything. It could be just cooking up a great dish in exactly 2 minutes. देखिए, हर एक की किसी की कोई यूनिकता होती है, तो वो जब उभर के उस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं। तो हर टैलेंट कंपटीशन में जब जजेस देखते हैं तो ये देखते हैं कि आप में क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है, आप किस तरीके से कर रहे हैं, और प्रेजेंटेशन